Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making a breakfast treat that combines two classic favorites, carrot cake and pancakes. We're making carrot cake pancakes. For this recipe, you'll need flour, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, brown sugar, salt, milk, eggs, vanilla extract, shredded carrots, and chopped walnuts. Oh, and don't forget the cream cheese frosting. Now that our batter is ready, we're going to add in the shredded carrots and chopped walnuts. These will give the pancakes a nice texture and flavor, just like carrot cake. While our pancakes are cooking, we're going to whip up some cream cheese frosting. This is the perfect topping for our carrot cake pancakes. Now that our pancakes are done, it's time to stack them up and drizzle on the cream cheese frosting. These pancakes are a delicious and indulgent breakfast treat that are sure to please anyone with a sweet tooth. These are so good. I hope you try this recipe at home and enjoy them as much as I do.